Hi guys, many traders avoid trading with such a system, and I'm telling you, yet it gives you the opportunity to open low risk trade at support and resistance level. If you want to know what I'm talking about, I'm going to tell you what I'm talking about. All you have to do is watch this video. I'm going to be working here and I'm going to teach you how to do everything that you want to do. You'll get your answers and you'll find what you're looking at. I'm going to be starting with just $300 here. $300, I'm going to put it here and I'm going to show you how to do what I'm going to do. Plus, I'll reveal all the settings at the end of this video. I'm going to be showing you with 2 indicators what you can do and how you can change. I'm going to teach you everything I have. All you have to do is stick around, watch this short video till the end. Okay, so all right guys, let's add our tools, Bollinger Bands and ADX. We'll start by adjusting the period in the settings. For the first one, we need to change the period to 8. I also recommend disabling the indicator's background fill. It just gets in the way. So I'll set the band colors to white. Personally, it makes the chart easier to read for me. You can be different if you want. Okay, now let's tweak the ADX here. We'll change both parameters to 15 and remove the ADX line itself. We only need the DI lines. So I'll make the plus DI line red so it contrasts better with the yellow one. All right, and now we're all set. So let me show you what this strategy can do. First and foremost, we're interested in the convergence and divergence of the ADX lines. Either the red or the yellow line will always be above the other. When the red line is on top, when the market is rising, you can highlight the entire area to see it clearly. Okay. So same here, the zone has a yellow line on top. That was a slight downtrend. So the ADX acts as a filter of sorts, showing us the direction we should trade in. Now we have a second indicator. It gives us entry points. Look at these bounce points of the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands boundaries. If the assets reverses from the channel's edges, it often moves in the opposite direction. So when this aligns with the ADX signals, we can successfully trade narrow price channels like here, or enter trades during strong trend movements. So there's another type of signal here, a breakout of the midline or boundary lines. There's also a reason to open a trade in this direction of the crossover. The key is that all the indicators must confirm the signals simultaneously. Right now, I'll pull up a fresh chart and show you how to trade some real deal examples. Okay, so I'm going to be opening a short position here. Let's break down the setup. The yellow ADX line just crossed upwards. So at the same time, we see a bounce from the upper Bollinger Band. The midline has broken price, pushed below the lower band, confirming bearish pressure. So that's 3 confirmed, and we've confirmed 3 reasons to expect a downtrend, guys. Now we just can't wait for the trade to play out. So zooming out, the asset is actually in an uptrend after all. But right now it's approaching another potential bounce that points upwards. So context always matters. By trading a short-term pullback within a larger uptrend. So now we just wait another 20 seconds and lock in our profits. Okay, we're almost there. That was a relatively easy trade to complete. So after this, I'll switch assets, of course, and I'm locking in my profits now. So, and this is a very good, strong, solid start. Let's move on to a new currency pair. Okay, so here I'm opening another short position. Let's analyze the situation. Overall, it's similar. The yellow ADX is on top, the asset is failing. There's a breakout behind the channel boundaries. So earlier, the chart bounced off the upper Bollinger Band. The price action itself has formed a very smooth reversal, indicating a clear change in direction. So after breaking through the support line, nothing is holding the currency pair back from falling even further. Okay, for now, we're going to be trading on a green candle, but this isn't a drawback at all. Within the trend, I'm expecting a breakdown that was shown by the pattern I mentioned earlier. So now we're just waiting to see what develops on the new candle. And here, it immediately starts moving in our desired direction. We have 2 indicators and the fundamental of technical analysis as always. So we're maintaining complete calm and we're waiting for an expiration. So no surprises here. We've closed this in a profit and now it's time to switch charts. Okay, great trading opportunity, guys. Let's break it down briefly. So first, here's the level price, the level the price is heading towards. The asset has room for fall, so we're always waiting for new development. So previously, the assets reversed twice at the upper Bollinger Band and indicating downwards trajectory. This is exactly what's happening now, confirmed by the yellow ADX being on top. Let me add a visual level so we can clearly see our target. Use horizontal lines, guys. They're extremely helpful tools. Learn how to place key levels, truly understand the market structure. To be able to do this, all you have to do is join my Telegram channel, guys. When you join my Telegram channel, you get crucial information that you probably wouldn't have gotten before. There I focus on like crucial trading nuances. You also find my personal trading signals that can help you earn your first dollars. Okay, see, we're profitable again here. Since we didn't reach my previously marked level, I'll continue trading in this same setup. So I increased my risk to $1,000, time to push for a significant result. Entering this new market now, my target is to break through the mark level, possibly going much lower. Let's see. Let's evaluate the situation on higher time frames again. Earlier we drew our first level, but it's just the beginning. As you can see, there are much more interesting zones where price could head. By the way, we've already successfully broken through the first boundary. Now add the next one I showed previously. This is easier to see on higher time frames. Just add a horizontal line here, and now let's return to the 1 minute chart and you can see how it looks. Okay, here we're currently in a strong downtrend, and now we can clearly see price's destination. You agree that this makes analysis much more convenient. This is what we call market control. Market control, guys. I recommend adopting this particular approach, and here are the results. Wow. Now a balance at $2,000. Perfect time to wrap up this session and summarize what we saw in the video. So guys, I'm personally very satisfied with this trading strategy. As you can see here, I'm thrilled that it has shown you how effective it can be in doing whatever you want it to do for you, which is always in what I think you want, profits. So you can see here how we started. I'm sure you were following my screen, and you see you always have to pay attention to key levels so that you can navigate your errors and know where there's mistakes and where to go and where not to go and all that. To ask me any questions, all you have to do is click the link below. You get my Telegram, send me there. My contact is available. I'm always there to answer any questions you want, anything that might be bothering you, any issues you have, any confusions you may have. So just hit me up there. Another thing, guys, I want to grow this community, so I would love it if you go to it's very simple. Go to your computer, do this. You tap, smash that like button, tap, smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, comment. And your engagement is very, very important to this channel. I'll love it if you guys can do all this that I just mentioned. I'll be waiting for you in the next video. See you guys later.